Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so excited to be here. Today I'll be making some coconut curry salt fish. Can you guys tell that I'm excited? I'm so excited to be with you guys again. And here are our lovely ingredients. We have some sweet peppers. You guys know I love my sweet peppers. Some onion, saltfish, all the greenery, reddery, and some coconut milk, of course. So here I have my pot and I'm adding a little oil and I'm adding my curry powder. Right, so I'm just adding the curry powder. Don't do too much oil, Vibes fam. Right, just a little bit, and then we're going to give this a stir. So you know, we like to cook. It is good to cook your curry before, because like saltfish and stuff like that, very easy to cook. So it's good to cook your curry before you add those stuff. Yes, so here the cookeration is gonna be started. So I added some water and I'm just going to give this a stir, you know, mix up everything, and then we're going to cover this Vibe for about 10 minutes. As I said, it is good to cook for your belly sake. Cook your curry. Yeah, it's good for cook your curry. So 10 minutes. And then let's go now to my saltfish. So here I'm adding some hot water to the pot and I'm going to add the saltfish and allow this to come to a boil, Vibes. Once it come to a boil, take it off, throw off the water, right? And then we're gonna add some fresh water. So back to our curry. So here it is after 10 minutes. Give it a stir and we're going to mix this and make sure that it is nice and smooth. Look at our curry paste, Vibes fam. So beautiful, so nice, and it smells so good. Vibes fam, if you have cooked with better pack curry powder before, you know how it go. You know how it smell good, how it nice. So yes, give it a mix, give it a stir, and make sure it's nice and smooth. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our coconut milk. Where are my other coconut lovers? Oh, so lush, so beautiful, so white. So yeah, Vibes, add your coconut milk, and the same, we're going to give it a stir. Incorporate the curry and the coconut milk. Where are my smell-o-vision designers? Listen, we need somebody. Vibes on for smell the kitchen. You guys need to smell this kitchen. It is smelling so Anna. It smells so good. So yeah, Vibes, stir it up, and then we're going to cover this for 10 minutes. Right, and allow that to cook. And here is my saltfish. Right, so I did this 2 times. So pour off this water and then pour some cold water on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. So get it to the desired size that you want. I want them to be a bit big, so that's why I am doing them this size. Do what you like, Vibes. As I always say, it is food. You need to love it. Right, so if you don't want a chunk of saltfish, then you know, mince up your own, and it's all good. So now let's check back on our curry, and this is it after 10 minutes, Vibes. I'm smelling so good, so you want to eat it, and I'm not even eat yet, right? So here I'm adding 1 whole onion, some green sweet peppers, that's red and orange, and some green, my favorite. And of course, I'm adding some scallion or green onion. And here I'm adding some chopped or minced up garlic. And of course, some thyme. Now, Vibes, if you love your tomato or stuff like that, you can add some tomato to it. If you want, it's food. Add what you like. But this is perfecto for a meal. So this works good. Yes, so go ahead and Vibes, yes, get those nice sweet veggies in that coconut sauce. And Vibes, when I tell you, when you cook this down in you let all those flavors just infuse in that coconut sauce. Oh, glory! Hallelujah! Yes. So 5 minutes. And vibes, this is it after 5 minutes. So good. And we're going to go ahead and add the saltfish. So yes, get that up in there. Mix it, and rub it, and get it. Get the sauce all over the saltfish. Yes, Vibes, yes. Vibes, when I tell you this thing is so good, the smell alone, just the smell. And look at all those primary colors. They are yellow, well, that's orange. They are red and green. Beautiful. So yeah, Vibes, incorporate all those niceness and flavors together, and we're going to cover this for 5 minutes. Well, first let me add some crushed pepper. Add your Scotch bonnet pepper if that's what you have, and we're going to give that another stir. Yes, Vibes, this is so good. I cannot wait for somebody to invent smelly vision, because sometimes I just need for you guys to smell what is taking place in my kitchen. Awesomeness. So yeah, Vibes, give it a stir, and then next I'm gonna add some black pepper. Vibes, fam, did you visualize that beautification that took place? Ooh, it was so yummy. Looks so good. So we're going to give this a little mix. Yes, me know a whole heap of mix up a take place, but just in our pot only. Bonfire pan add a mix up and cover this for 5 minutes, and then that's gonna be us. And Vibes, fam, here we have it. Where are you guys? Run, come, run. Take on a little foot and run. Run, come over here. So run, come over here. So I wanna there on a run. Come take this in. Because guess what? Your eyeball have to visualize this. What I say? Yes, Vibes, sometimes you know you just need to do something else with a little saltfish. Yeah, we can't stew saltfish all the time. We can't only eat saltfish in a ackee. So I'm telling you, Vibes, this is the way to go. It is so good. When my husband was like, babe, it tastes so good. He loved it. Him love it. Yes, well, it normal. Him love my cookie. You know, I can do a thing art. So, I'm not. But Vibes, this is so good. And as usual, if you can't bother, Auntie Pringles will bother. So send it to her. I'm giving you guys just a little more close up. Take it in. Come through, my little sweet peppers. You know I love you. Yes, saltfish. You look so lush. You look so healthy. Yeah, you take your vitamins. I like you. Come through. Do I see any onions? Hey, onions. I can't see you, but I see you in my mind. Hey, Timey. I see Timey. And Vibes, I had to show you my plate. Now, if you know me, I is a rice lover. And I love fried plantain too. So it go without saying. Of course. I gonna eat this with some white rice, basmati rice, some nice jasmine thingy, and some fried plantain, and Vibes, look panda. Oh, come through, eat. Come through, steamy. Stay. Vibe Sam, to God be the glory. I'm so happy and excited to be here with you guys. Yes. So on the techie my rice. Shelly. Hey Shelly rice. Come true. Vibe Sam, this is so delicious. I need for you guys to try it and comment down below and tell me when you try it. Tell me if you're going to try it, right? But look at it. Look at that beautifulness. But me need for showing a closer visualization of the saltfishization. Check it out. Vibe Sam, this is so good. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. My new subscribers, hi. Thank you so much for joining the Vibe Sam. And if you're watching today for the first time, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I upload. And follow me on Instagram. God bless you.